What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use photo mode on TikTok. So this one is very easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, open your TikTok and right there in your menu, just click this plus sign right here and it will redirect you to this page where you can add a photo and post it to your TikTok. And just click the photo, just tap a picture and after you create the picture, as you can see, to make it look like a video, you can add a sound right here on the top side. Just click that and it will show you a bunch of music that you can add and it will turn your photo into a video. And also you can add a text right here. Just add a random text and also you can change the effects of this video right here, and that's it. And after you click that, just click next and it will show you this one. Just add a title of your post, and after you done that, just click post, and right there, as you can see, the video is being posted. You can go back to your profile and watch the video, and as you can see that the video is in photo mode, and that's it. That's how you do it. Yeah, right here. The sound is incredible, and that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.